Getting juicy chicken thighs is easy. Getting juicy chicken thighs with crispy bite-through skin takes a little technique. Today on the Lone Star Grillz Santa Maria, we'll show you a simple 3-step method. Step 1 is to dry and season. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Trim any excess fat, pat them really dry, add a light coating of olive oil, and then season generously with our LSG Texas Fusion, or use your favorite chicken rub. Once you've got these covered on all sides, they're ready for the fire. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grillz Santa Maria at a temperature of about 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a clean fire built using a mixture of oak and hickory, and when you have your grate height adjusted to where you can hold your hand over the fire for about 4 to 6 seconds before having to move it, you'll be right in our cook temperature range for today. Place the chicken thighs on the grate, skin side up, and allow them to cook gently. We're not trying to crisp the skin yet, but slowly rendering the fat underneath it. The skin will also serve as an insulator for this chicken to cook nice and evenly without flipping until it's time to crisp. It'll take approximately 45 minutes for these thighs to hit a temperature of around 175 to 180 degrees. Then it's time for step 3. Flip these thighs over, lower the grate closer to the fire, and crisp up this skin. Watch it closely and give it about 30 to 60 seconds, and you can go a little more or a little less depending on your preference. Once you've got that skin right where you want it, remove them from the heat and serve them up just the way you like. Just take a look at these results. Crispy skin on the outside, yet tender and juicy on the inside, with 3 easy steps. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and remember that if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.